Continue. Yesterday just I explained about theoretical related information. Okay, let's see. This concept name is search help. Search help. I explained about search help. Search help means we can get the values, list of values from database. The list of values from database. When you press F4 database, when you click the F4 option, but if we want to press the F4, we have to specify the information, which information that is. Okay, for that we have two types of search helps. Two types of search helps. Two types. Two types of search helps. One is elementary search help. Two is collective search help. Collective search help. Now, elementary search help is nothing but based on single database table, means definition wise. If we want to explain this definition, elementary search help means based on single, okay, either search help means based on single database table or based on single view, based on single help view. We can create elementary. Elementary means only one you can use it, that's it. Search help. Meaning what I am trying to say here, if you want to create a elementary, either you can use it a table or you can use it view. Anything, only one you have to select it. As an example, last class I had given list of the tables. Either KNA1 table you can take it, or LFA1 you can take it, LFA1 table you can take it, or any tables, or okay, view name, help view, or help view name. The help view name also can take it. Like this is a single, means either you can create here only based on KNA1 or only LFA1 or only help view. Okay, help view, either way. Okay, or KNA1 or LFA1 or help view, you can take it any that. Means only one if you select it, that is we are calling single search help or elementary search help. Elementary means one. Then if you create here like multiple, like example ZELE1, this is the one name, ZELE2, this is one name, ZELE3, this is one name, this is one elementary search help, this is one elementary search help, this is one elementary search help, this is one, this is second one, this is third one. If you join all three, in single search help, join all three in single search help, that search help we are calling collective search help. Collective search help, meaning not only 3, you can add it even plus 20 also. Okay, 20 plus, okay, search help, 20 plus views, means that views only, okay, I have shown you 20 plus 20 plus search helps, 20 plus elementaries we can see here. Okay, what is the use of 20 plus? Let me show first. Okay, any application you can take it, like standard applications, XK01. This is used by MM consultant, SD consultant, FICO consultant. All these people, they can use it. This T code, this transaction code is okay. We'll use it very less, but we can upload for this data for this transaction code. This T code in middle of the course, I will discuss like uploading methods are the concept name. At that time, I will load it the data. Now, why I open this session means here, like vendor. Okay, vendor is a table. This is a vendor is a field. Now, if I enter some vendor number, like some other vendor number I entered, but this vendor is not there. If I browse here, this vendor is not there. I know. If I click here, enter, it will show that vendor group is something it is asking. Okay. If I search here vendor number, if I search the vendor number, system should show some help. See here F4 I am pressing. Then immediately it will pop up a collective search help. It will pop up. Let's observe now what I told you. Collective. What is the meaning of collective? It is a group of elementary search help. Group of elementary search help means if you observe now here, how many elementaries are there? You can observe now. Vendor for general search help. This is one search help elementary. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 views, 14 search helps, elementary search helps. They connected in one collective. This is we are calling collective. This is we are calling collective. For any type of application, means if you see anywhere, for this company code also we have one collective. Say browse F4. Browser for, but only one. See, only one. See, there is no collective here. Okay, only one is there. Elementary. That's it. Then if I check like purchasing organization F4, this is also only one only. Elementary. Account group F4. Okay, only one. Because here, if it is only one page directly display data, that is only description. That only I explained definition. What is the meaning of definition? Okay, list of values from database. How you are getting? By pressing F4. See, immediately I am getting the values now here. I don't know account number, which one I have to choose it. If I press F4, immediately it will pop up. This only list of values we are getting from database. Where you will get it? On front end. Okay, on front end. Okay, this concepts we are calling search help. Okay, if you have doubt, ask me. I will explain clearly step by step. Okay, I can explain. Okay, about search help. About search help means this definition I had given. The definition I had given and two types I had given. Now elementary and collective. Elementary means just only elementary search help I had given definition. Collective later I will give procedure. I will give for elementary search help. Any doubt here? To create elementary, first we have to find out the field names. Take two tables or two views or anything you can take it. Later for your understanding, I am going to select here. One is the customer table. Customer table. This is another one is the VBA. Okay, another one is VBA. Now these two I will take it. First I will collect the from first table I will collect some fields. From second table I will collect the some fields. How to collect the database table fields? We have to open either SC11 or either SC12. Okay, either SC11. So SC11 I am collecting fields. Let me open here. SC11. Any one table. Okay, any one table. Click on display. Click on display. Okay, sir, KNA1. How many fields are here? How many fields? So many fields are there. You can take it some reference fields. Okay, some 4 fields you can copy and paste it here. Because based on these fields only, I am creating one search cell. First table, I selected some fields. Same way, I can open VBAK display button. Okay, I'll select another 4 fields, 4 or 5. Here 5 fields I selected, I think. Okay. Year name. Okay, like this. These are all 4 fields from first table, 4 fields from second table. Now I am creating this is one elementary. Okay, ZLE1. This I am creating ZLE2. But any name I can choose it. Okay, just for your reference purpose I had given. This is elementary 1. This is elementary 2. I will test it here also. I will test it here also. I will check it is working properly or not. The 2 elementaries I am going to create first based on this one. And this is first elementary. This is second elementary. This is second elementary. Procedure. Okay, how to create this first elementary. Go to steps to create elementary search cell. Steps to create elementary search cell. Go to SC11. Go to SC11. Which one you have to select here? Yes, now we are creating search help. Okay, now we are creating search help. Go to search help. Don't select this option. See, now it is selected by default database table. Go to search help. This is elementary. Okay, okay, yesterday I started with this one, but not working this one. Now I am going to create the same name. I am using with the same name. ZGR element 1. Okay, element 1. This is my new name. Click on create button. See, yesterday it was not showing because some lock was there. Now it is working. Okay, elementary search cell creation. Select first one because without these two, without one, this collective it won't work. Okay, elementary search. Continue. Okay, continue. The short description. Okay, but you can give that short description means here it will appear no, on top of okay, like XK01. Okay, F4. See, this is the vendor general, vendors by country, company code. Okay, like that. This name. Okay, what you have to. Okay, that name you can enter here. Okay, that is the name of the elementary. Then this is I am implementing customers, customer data with country. Field. Okay, which table you are working? The table name. Okay, KNA1. Okay, I told you one more point. If you already created view. Okay, last time I explained Praveen, Satish and the other. Okay, Amit. Okay, so help view created. Na? That help view you can use it here also. Okay, help view, even help view. Okay, instead of table you can use help view also. But here now I am using directly table only. But both are output is same. Both are. Now how many fields we need here? How many fields we require here? KNR, land 1, name 1, what is 1. Okay, 4 fields. KNR, enter. See, this is field name. Data element automatically it has come. I did not enter data element. Second field. Land 1, third field, name 1. Land 1, third field, name 1, fourth field, OT01. All 4 fields I selected. Means if you want 20 fields, write down clearly. If you want some other field, postal code also if I want, write down like this, all the fields. How many fields you want, you can write down. But these fields you have to maintain clearly sequence, import and export option. All tick marks you have can do. All tick mark, import. And sequence numbers also can maintain clearly. What is import, export? I will give you clearly one explanation. Clear explanation. Now, I maintained all the L position and S position. What is L position? X position also. Both I am explaining. Let's see. Save it first. Okay. Package we created earlier. Okay, package. If any package is not there in your system, enter ZHR350. If any package is not there in your system, okay, you will not create any package. Use this ZHR350 common, okay, existing number. Otherwise, I created last session some names, so you can enter that names. Continue. Request number will come automatically. This is workbench request. This is created by only technical consultant, ABAP consultant, and basis consultant. Remaining people, they will use customizing request. This part I will give in coming sessions. Once again, transportation. Let me select here new. Okay, Ganga request. Okay, Ganga request. Enter. Okay, enter. Continue. Okay, continue. First to save it. Okay, now let me explain what is import, what is export. Okay, what is export? Okay. What is the meaning of export? What is the meaning of import? Means here. Okay, this is a database. KNA1 values all are there. KNA1 fields all are there. Okay, with all rows and columns are there. But now, as a user, I will enter one entry, customer 1000. I will enter. Okay, customer 1000. This is 1000 value. This 1000 value I will export to KNA1 table. This KNA1 table is having already customer number, country, name, city, all the details. It is that this customer is having all the details. It is having all the rows, all the row, one row clearly. Okay, one row. Okay, now I am exporting here. Exporting. I am importing from database. Okay, importing from database. Okay, from this here to here, if I export it based on this value only, where condition, it is nothing but a where condition. Only that value only should come from database. Let's see. Let me show this example here. Vendor I opened here. I will browse here. Okay, I will browse here. You see vendor, there are so many vendors are there. If I enter here one where condition, only one vendor, 1000 vendor only I have to see. If I enter 1000 vendor equal to, means equal to, it will show only one vendor only. See, is it showing this only one vendor? This is only we can call elementary search help. Means I am getting the value from database. That value we are calling this one. Now if I won't enter any value here, 500 entries it will show. 500 entries. Pressing refresh first. That's help compulsory. You have to refresh. Okay, now if I want to enter, all the values will get it. See, all the values. If I enter country wise, only India country only should come. So only Indians. Only India. Only India. Only India customer related information it will come. Country India. Country India. Like this type of help purpose, we are creating our own design. Okay, search help. For that we maintain this option. Import export I explained. If you have any doubt, ask me. Then I am going to explain L position, S position. S position is nothing but L position means input entries. Here see, If I press F4, here this is 1 position, this is 2 position, 3 position, 4th position, 5th position, 6th position. This type of screen we can call L position. If you enter here S position, this is S position, output position. 1, first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth position, sixth position. Any sequence, that is no matter, just only serial numbers you have to enter, that's it. Okay, serial number, sequence numbers, that's it. This is about the help parameters. Okay, in interview what they may ask, like only 2 questions: what is important exporter, then what is elementary search helper, that's it. Save it. Okay, save it. Check any error. Okay, now it is created. That name is called customer data with a country. Okay, details. Activate here. This is still this. Okay, version is new version. Now I am going to activate here. Activate. You can see here object is saved and activated. Now this is the option. Okay, clear. This elementary is clear now. One elementary is there. But how to execute it? Okay, how to test it? Test means here we have always any table, any view, any structure, anything if you create in ABAP, that particular status should be in active status. Okay, active status. Execute here. Okay, execute here. You can see here KNR, land 1, name 1, ORT0. This is only sequence numbers. Okay, now if I press here, only if I enter the only customer number 1001, only 1001 only will appear in appear here. Okay, so only 1001. So now my search is working properly. Okay, properly for any country. Okay, even if you browse here once again, 1002. Okay, 1002. Then 1002 only. Okay, no value. One or two, no, not there. You can enter 1002. Sometimes you have to refresh, then only it will work. Otherwise it will give all the list. Okay, you have to refresh here. Say 1002. Okay, any value if you enter, according to that value, system will populate the entries. Okay, system. But if I don't want customer number wise, if I want to search only country wise, then IN is the value. Country wise, if I search it, many values will come, not single value. Why? Because many users will be in here. Total customers are existed in database is 287 Indian customers. Okay, 287 total. If I change India to US customers, then all customers we can find out how many customers are there for US also. But displayed here, it displayed here. 500 entries are displayed here. We can remove this 500 entries margin. The maximum number, maximum. We can enter it. Means total. It will show total. You can see here 4102 entries for only for US customers. Okay, US customers. Like that, to identify the like records, number of records, country wise also. Okay, we can use it. This search help. This is Germany customers. Germany customers around 2775 customers are there. Like according to countries, we can maintain this data. Okay, we can check this data. These concepts we are calling elementary search helper. This is based only one table I created. Okay, only one table now. This is done. I am going to create based on table, another table also. Okay, another table. Any doubt, Amit? Okay, Praveen? Subhash, any doubt? Okay, clear. Amit, any doubt? Yeah. Priya?
No, sir.
Okay. The same way, the same procedure for another database table. I am explaining. Okay, view. Okay, one more. Okay, one more. Okay, our view also can use it. Okay, but view very less we can use it. Okay, we can use directly database table. Okay, directly database table. Let's see how to use it. Satish is joined. Satish. So,
Sir,
yeah, tell me. Ask
sir,
me.
just now you have created one more elementary search. So if we go to, yeah, if we go to customer master, there we can find this elementary search over there,
This
or
is
it,
customized, no? This is customized.
okay,
Even for customer master, if you go there, you can identify that particular fields here. Here.
we can
That is the
get it.
default one. Yeah, you can get it automatically. There it is there already. See here, if you browse here, customer master data, if you browse customer data, here, we have all that.
Oh, this is the one we have created just now.
Yeah, this is the one. No, this is not ours. This is standard. Okay, what we
Yes.
created is that is customized. That we can use it for our reporting purpose.
Okay, okay. So
Okay.
it won't come over here.
It won't come here. Okay, this is the standard one. Okay, this is a standard one. These all are standard. Whatever you created, your own project, your own customized project purpose,
Okay,
not for
okay,
the
got it.
standard. Okay, understood?
Yes, I got it.
These
So,
all. Oh, yeah.
so when functional people, when they want to pull up the report, they have to use SE11.
For data purpose or which
Uh,
one?
yes, just now you have created
Correct.
this in SE11. So
Mm.
SE11 is mostly used by ABAPers, and if functional people, they have to pull up the report as per the requirement of the
Correct.
business.
Correct. You can check
S-
it. You can check
So
it by using
same
SE11.
SE11.
Correct. Same SE11. You can use it all the data.
Okay, 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 fine, sir.
Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Subhash, any doubt? Okay. Now, let
No, sir.
ah, okay. Okay. Next concept, I'll start at the same procedure for another database, VBAK. Okay, VBAK. Only difference is the table fields are different. That's it. Procedure is same. Procedure is same. The first one is done. You can keep it side. Come back. The same naming convention I'm using with the two. Okay, with the two. Why I am creating here two? Because if I have two, then only then I can create collective search also. If I don't have the two, I cannot use it in collective. Collective means group of elementaries. Group of elementaries itself you can call collective search. Let's see two. Okay, create button. One more elementary. This is also second table. Sales document. Okay, details. Table name is okay, VBAK. Table name is VBAK. Fields. I have written here fields. Same fields you can use it, or otherwise, if you want many fields, open one more table, one more session. You know that how to open session. Okay, this is a session. Or otherwise, you can enter /o. Okay, /o. Enter the VBAK and click on display. If you want many fields also, you can choose many fields. But I need only four fields here. I can select VBLN. Enter. Okay, next one is ERDAT, ERZET, ERDAT, ERZET. Okay, ERN. Okay, like that we have the all the options, four options. Then I'm selecting import and export, and same procedure, same procedure. 1, 1, 2, 3, and 3. And this is just only output series purpose only. There's not that much importance for this L position and S position. This is important. Import and export values are important. Save, activate, check the errors. This is checking errors. Control plus F2. Control plus say S. Control plus F2. Checking. Okay, no errors. Control plus F3. Activate. Control plus F3. Activate. Now status is active. Okay, now test it here. Here also we can test it. You can observe now four fields are there. Four sequencer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, elements. If I browse here, F4, FR, all values will come. But here, sales document related fields are not there. Okay, data is not there. The total data itself. Oh, it is there here now. Let me browse once again. F4. First time it is not yet come. Okay, let me check here once again. Activate. First time I pressed F4, it was not coming. Let me check only 5000 record. There or not. Correct. You can see 5000 record it's coming. You just refresh it better. And refresh and execute it. Now 2 elementaries are ready here. 2 elementaries are ready. Then if you want to create like that, even 20 elementaries also you can create it. Okay, that 20 elementaries also I have shown you here for the XK01. For the XK01 XK01 F4, you can see here almost 20 are there. 20 less than. You can see almost 33 like this. Each one is one elementary. This is country code wise. This is company code wise. This is country wise separately once again. Okay, company. But this is combination of country and company code. Here combination of country and company code. You can search here either country wise you can search the values or you can search the company code wise value. If I search country code wise, IN I can enter, I can browse the values. All IN values 265 is now. I don't want country code. I need company code wise I will search it. Then I can browse here. Company code is 1000. 1000 values, how many are there? 1000 company code wise it will show. All the company code wise. See here it is highlighted. It is highlighted. Company code is highlighted. Then if I search here, okay, like that. If I search here and country and both, okay, country and country company, both I need. Okay, country and company code wise. Let me check that. Combination of company and country wise. Okay. If I enter the same company India, let's see how many. Okay, refresh. Okay, see here only 1000 company code wise Indian customers. 86 are there. 86 are there. Like that. Okay, multiple values you can search it. Okay, multiple values. If I don't want this one, I'll select the US customers. Okay, 1000. How many thousand? Okay, 136 entries are there for US customer. Okay, it's a combination. Okay, that's why they created a view name is combination purpose company and country wise also created. If you search here only company code wise only you can search it. There no country even country also there. Let me check here. Company code 1000. Okay, 1000. It is working. Okay, 1000. Let me check again. 86 will come. Yeah. Okay, both. Here also field is there. Here also field is there. You can use it. You can use it. They created this many okay, purchasing wise. Okay, the purchasing department wise we can identify like only purchasing department 1000. Okay, then only 1000 wise I want to. Okay, it depends upon your usage. Okay, how your client wants them, you can use. Now both are ready. Now 2 elementaries are ready. Now I am using these 2 elementaries in collective. Okay, collective. This is separator. One more part. Now I am going to create this part. That is only collective searchable creation. If you want definition, you can write down. Okay, collective means group of elementary search cells. Group of elementaries. These are all different group. Okay, all we can use it in collective search cell. Group of elementary search cells. Okay, you can use it in collective search cell. Procedure. Same procedure. Go to SE11. Okay, go to SE11. Select the search cell. Select the search cell. ZBR collect. Okay, any name you can use it. ZBR collective. Okay, click on create button. Click on create button. Okay, this is we are calling collective search, not elementary. Elementary is over. Okay, now we created 2. Those names you can use it here. Collective search help. Okay, continue. Okay, continue. Short description. Collective search help. Here is here under definition it is asking parameters names. Here parameter names is nothing but a field names. This is one parameter. This is another parameter. 4 parameters are there in KNA1 only. In VBA also we have 4 parameters. Means how many parameters you want to use it for this screen. You can use those many parameters. Meaning, okay, now if I want from this table 2 parameters, from this table 2 parameters. Otherwise 4 also you can use it. Just you have to enter manually. KUNNR is first field from first table, import and export. You have to maintain your own data element. Then how to maintain? First open SE11, enter the table name KNA1, display button. See, this KNR is having what is the data element? Data element KNR only. KNR. Okay, use the KNR data. Oh. KNR. Okay, enter that. Means manually we have to enter here. If it is land1, import export land1 underscore GP. Okay, like this. Then for the another fields, okay, VBLN. This is second table fields. These 2 are second table. VBAK, VBLN. VBLN. Okay, export. Okay. ERDAT. Here, like this, we have to maintain clearly all the information. Okay, all the information. Just I selected 2 fields from first search cell, 2 fields from second search cell. Okay, 2 fields. Or if you want, all fields you can maintain. All fields you can maintain. Okay, all. This is just only input purpose. Only input. Let me check here. Save it here first. Package. Save package. Now it is over here. Okay, they no need to enter any sequence here. No sequence number. L position, S position is not there. Only import and export. Then here we have option is that included search helps. Included search helps. Under this included search helps, we have to maintain first elementary name, second elementary name. Both we have to add it here. Okay, both here. Here we have to add here. What is the name of the elementary I created? Let me open one more session. S11. Here just now I created a GRAL element 1 and element 2. Here first one I am selecting. So this is the first elementary. Then I created one more. Okay, that is a second elementary. 2 I created. So both are I added. If you have n numbers, okay, n numbers. Previously previous class somebody is created. Even you can use that element 1. So somebody is created. You can use it n numbers. Okay, n numbers. You can use element ELE. Okay, like that you can use all the elementaries. Means how many 20 elementaries are there? All 20 elementaries you can use it. This is okay. I created previous sessions. Okay, previous session. Okay, just I am repeating elementary once. I repeated elementary once again today. That's what. This is based on help you. You can use it those ways, those also. Okay, those particular existing. If you double click here, we can see those elementaries directly from here. Here, VBAK table. Okay, directly VBAK. This is also from. Okay, somebody is created. This customize they created. This is a customize they created. You don't want this one. Okay, we'll leave it. Only this one if you want, you can use it. Otherwise, our elementaries only you can use it. No problem. Later you can try if you want. Now 2 elementaries I added to collective. Okay, collect. Now save, check the errors. If I check the errors, the system is asking no parameter assignment is maintained for the included set cell. No parameter assignment is maintained for the included set cell. For both, we did not maintain properly this included set cell parameter. This is not error. We can avoid it, but to avoid that message, yellow message also, we have to go to select the first one. This is a set cell, and click on parameter assignment. Okay, click on parameter assignment. Once if you click parameter assignment, it will show here table fields here. Okay. How many fields are there here? 2 fields only I selected, KNR and NAND1. Let's see. I have to maintain here all the fields. Land 1. But here VBLN is not there. These 2 are from second one. Let's see. VBLN is there. Observe now. Is there any VBLN field here? Not here. Okay, you cannot select the VBLN. But only select only first two only. First two only. Copy. I'll repeat this. Okay, I'll repeat the one more step. Same procedure. First is over. Select this one. Parameter assignment. Maintain the fields. Next. Select the set cell. Parameter assignment. This time, okay, you cannot use the KNR. KNR is not here. You have to use the second one only. Okay, VBLN. Okay, ERDAT. Okay, like that. You have to use this one. Copy. Over. Now assignment is over. Okay, nothing about it. First set cell parameter, second set cell parameter completed. Now this time if I click save and check the errors, see there is no error. Okay, there is no error. Click on activate. Now it is active. Okay, now it is active. How to use it? Okay, before I have shown you elementary set cell. Now I'll show corrective set cell. Testing. F8. KNR land 1, VBLN, ERDAT. All 4 fields are there. Okay, let me first browse here. First F4. Press go to KNR. Okay, F4. You can see here 2 elementaries has come. One is customer details with country, KNA1. Another one is sales. Another one is sales document details. Okay, you can see here. This is first one. This is second one. You can use it for finding the values. Okay, only I want to see only sales document 5000 here. I can select the 5001 or anyone. Okay, you can easily find out those values by using help, search help. This search help we are calling collective search help. For collective, the main reason collective is you can search by country wise, city wise, okay, customer wise, vendor wise, purchasing department wise, sales department wise, sales organization fields wise. Okay, like any type of okay, helps. We can use it here by using collective search help. Means all elementaries we can place it in one search help. Here now if I add here one more ZEL somebody is created. Now if I add my help view here, let me check here. This is there or not. Okay, this is customized. Let me check the ELE one. This is somebody created. Now I am going to assign the for this one also. Copy. Third one I added. Okay, third one here. If it is anyone is there, that elementary. If anyone is there. Okay, this is also somebody is created. Let me add one more. So whom is created for this? Okay, customer only. Then no problem. Then I can use it this one also. Then parameter assignment, system only proposing all. Copy. Now this is done. See, I added all other extra also for your understanding what is happening here. Let's see, activate here. Now I'm going to test here F8. Okay, F8. See, your input is same, but if I browse here, 4 element, okay, 4 collectives will come. This is first one, this is second one, sales document. This is somebody is created with help view. Customers, only customers, oh sorry, only sales only. He did not select any document number, only sales document is. Next, this is another element is itself, only customers selected, right? But it is no use like that. We have to select at least 4 or 5 fields, but they created like that, that's why we are using here. If you want to add at all, you can add it here. Okay, like that, to create n number of elements in one group, that group we are calling collective search algorithm. Collective search algorithm. Okay, this is customized, normal, this is customized whatever. Okay, whenever we are using the reporting time, we can use this collective search algorithm. But standard for all, okay, for understanding purpose we explained here. Okay, for understanding. But standard, okay, there's no need to create any search helper. No need to create any search helper, which I have shown you just now. Okay, for any customer table, any okay, like purchase order table, any application like XK01, ME, okay, ME11 or any application, If you see here, all helps are there. See, now if I browse the purchasing organization only, this is elementary. Okay, plant, this is elementary. Okay, so only elementary. Then if I browse this one, this is collective. Okay, collective. How you can find out the collective? How you can find out? By this option. This options. If it is many are there, that is collective. If it is only one, if it is displayed, you can see here. Material also there. For material also one help is there. Search help. Okay, material is having more. Okay, almost more than 20 plus are there. 20 plus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 19, 20, 23, 26. 26 view, okay, elementary search cell they added in one collective. Okay, so for this one, why they created this one? If they want to find out based on material group wise, they can select the material group here. What is the material group? Like example, if I want to find out only casing related. Now if I enter the casing material group, only casing related materials it will show. So 176 are the 176. If I want to find out only like pipes, okay, pipes, something pipes are there, pipeline, pipe pumps, okay, pumps. If I select the pumps, only pump related information, okay, pump, say 37 materials are there. I can easily identify, okay, material group wise. I don't want material group wise. I need some other parameters, okay, some material type, okay, material type. Material types also we have steel, okay, like sample, raw material, okay, finished goods, okay, is non-stock material. There are so many, okay, material types are there. Now if I want to select the pipeline material only, okay, enter the only pipelines are there, around 57 are there. Okay, okay, this is the like material, okay, finding the material based on, okay, finding the material based on, okay, different parameter wise you can search it here. For that I created here for customized related, for customized application. If your client is going for the customized application, that time only you can use it this one. Okay, if it is client is using all the standard applications, there is no need to add this search helper. Okay, this search helper. Okay. Now this is over. SC11 related concepts are over. Search helps also over. Only theoretical concept is there. Lock object and type group. That points also I am going to give now. Okay, 2 points I will cover it now. Then almost this SC11 part is done. SC11 part is done. Tomorrow onwards we will start with the basic programming. Okay, that is total different. This is total navigation. Okay, step by step. Select the table, click on change button or click on create button, like that. This is the navigation wise. Tomorrow onwards, okay, thinking like how to write the data, how to fetch the data, how to select it the data, okay, like that programming. Tomorrow most of the concept is related to theoretical part only, theoretical part with a one program, okay, one small program I will start it. Then day after tomorrow onwards, full programs, okay, one by one. Okay, tomorrow if you understand the code, okay, then you can understand the remaining all the classes easily. Okay, tomorrow is a basic procedure. how to fetch the data from database to front end. Okay, now today let me give the 2 points here, these 2 points, type group and lock object. Then I covered all the points. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, domain is there. Domain we already covered here. If you want, I will show one more table tomorrow. What is the domain and data element related information? One sample table I will create it. Okay. Otherwise, not required. Domain we already created in this one table. Okay. Now I am going to give here type group. Okay. Write down this point. This is also one small interview question. Type group. What is type group? Okay, this type group, okay, as ABAPer, we never touch in real time also. This is, we can use it in an existing type group only. Okay, this is only one type group which we can use frequently for ALV reporting. Okay, this is a SLIS, okay, predefined type group. Write down. Type group is means SLIS. SLIS is a predefined type group. Predefined type group. Okay, it is a predefined type group. It is used in ALV reporting. It is used in ALV reporting. This ALV reporting after completion of screen programming, I'll start the ALV reporting in the mid like 70% of the portion. Okay, then at that time we can use the ALV reporting 70-80. Okay, that time we can use it. Okay, very important. Nowadays we are using always ALV reporting only for the reporting purpose. Here ALV is nothing but a ABAP list viewer reports. Okay, ABAP list viewer report. Okay, ALV is nothing but a ABAP list viewer report. What is the use of ALV means? To display the data. Okay. Color format, sorting. In sorting also, okay, both you can sort it. Okay, ascending order and descending order, both ways you can. Okay, ascending and descending. Descending order. Okay, both you can use. Next, any sum. If you want to calculate the sum, default sum, you can calculate it. Any logos upload, company logo related. Okay, logos. Next, text related information, text format, printing text formats. For all we can use it. Okay, if you see that output, then only you can understand ALV. At that time I will discuss clearly. Okay, this is about that one. Okay. What is the frequently used means? List only we can use it. Over. Type group is over. Okay. Whenever I will start the ALV, that time I will repeat the same topic. Okay. Because at that time I will give the more points about list, some more points. But now for interview purpose, this is point is enough. These 2 points are enough. This 3. Now another question. Lock objects. These lock objects are created by administrators. Okay, these lock objects created by administrator. The lock objects are created by administrators. This is to lock the table. So this is under unlock the database table. Unlock the table. Okay. Unlock the table. So why we will use the locking and unlocking?
Security.
security means like while uploading the data, like example, now somebody is uploading the data, example, like this is K1 table is there. K1 is there, like he is updating his data, updating the data. Updating the data. The same time, okay, same time is one more, okay, one more is using the table, same table is using, okay, this is user 1, okay, user 1, one more is updating, but user 2 also is using same table, user 2 also same table is using, user 2 also, okay, if the same time the two, okay, users are updating or something, if there is data related issues will get it, okay, will get runtime related issues. Means for those type of, to avoid those type of issues, this user, okay, this user should write some code, okay, that code, okay, he has to update enqueue underscore lock. This is the name of the lock. Then, okay, update here, update commands you can use it. Then you can unlock it. DEQUEUE underscore. Actually, that name is EZ lock. LOCK. Here also EZ should come. Lock name never always it should start EZ lock, EZ unlock. Okay, this is the name of the. Okay, this function is to lock the table. This function is to unlock this table. Okay, and repeat here. This function is locking the table. Lock. Okay, locking the table. This function is unlock the table. Okay, unlock. Okay, any program if they want to write it, basis consultant or anything, okay, even we'll use it, but we never created this locks, unlocks. Okay. But how to use it? Function module, I will show it in okay, maybe not this week. Still function module I won't cover it. I think this week total. Okay, today is Wednesday. Okay, total basics only this week and next week. Next Thursday we'll start the function module concept one more. Okay, one more. Okay. Tomorrow concept if you are very good. Next class minimum 2-3 programs will work it in one class. 3-4 okay minimum. We'll see. Okay, coming to this all important related points I will covered. Okay, database table, views, structures, okay, data type or type group, okay, domains also we covered, set shelves, lock objects, all are okay. For freshers, okay, minimum 20 to 25 questions minimum. Okay, 20 to 25 questions they will ask on only okay ABAP dictionary. Okay, if it is for experienced, okay, around 10 to 15 questions they will ask only this data dictionary. Okay, for freshers, more weightage. For experienced people, okay, they will ask here main questions, set shelf, data element, data type, domain, database tables, views, structures, enhancement related, type group. That's it for experienced. Okay, coming to this part is over. Data dictionary part is over. Almost all the points technically which we completed here. Next, okay, one point is SC14 concept I did not discuss. SC14, okay, means even it is useful for you people. SC14, SC14. This SC14 is nothing you can call database utility. Here sometimes if you observe here table, okay, any customized table or any table, you will get like partially inactive. You'll get sometimes partially while running with the okay tables partially. If those type of partially inactive tables, you can copy and paste it in where it is, okay, in the SC14. If table is any partially inactive, those table name you can enter here. It will show clearly partially inactive it will show. If you want to adjust any database, activate and adjust the database. If you do that one, activate and adjust, then system will adjust the database. Okay, then it will be activated. Okay, if it is in active state, we will use it. If it is inactive state, we cannot use it. Okay, I will explain once again. If any table, maybe customized table only, you can take it. Because standard table, most of the tables are active. While working your table, sometimes your table you won't activate it. It will be inactive only, or it will be in partial inactive only, because of enhancements. Because of enhancement. If you are facing those type of issues, you just adjust the database. Click on adjust, activate and adjust. Okay, then click yes. Then automatically that status will be changed to active. If there is error is there, it will throw error. If error is not there, compulsory it will be okay, it will be changed. It will be changed. Okay, this is also one entry question. Okay, database utilities. Okay, utilities. Now all ABAP dictionary is completed. Tomorrow we are going to use a SC38 ABAP editor reports. In these reports also, basic report only I am starting now. Okay, advanced reports after completion of 80% or 70% of portion, I will start it. Reports, advanced reports. Okay, that is major topic. Okay, this is okay, like base. Why we are writing report? What is right? What is loop? What is syntax for? Okay, data declaration, types declaration, element. Okay, everything I will cover tomorrow. Okay, now I'll stop it here. Okay, tomorrow class same time. Okay, 8 o'clock only I'll start. Okay, 8 o'clock I'll start with the basic ABAP.